My topic is marketing strategy development and detail explain, and let's go to the topic and let's go to the start. Marketing strategy development is the process of creating a comprehensive plan to reach and engage target customers, achieve business objectives, and gain a competitive advantage in the market. It involves a series of steps that align marketing activities with overall business goals. Here are the key steps in developing a marketing strategy. Define business objectives. Start by clearly defining your business objectives. These could include increasing market share, expanding into new markets, launching new products, improving customer retention, or enhancing brand awareness. The marketing strategy should be designed to support these objectives. Identify target market. Identify and define your target market segments based on market research and segmentation analysis. Understand their needs, preferences, and behaviors to effectively reach and engage them with your marketing efforts. Conduct competitive analysis. Analyze your competitors' strengths, weaknesses, strategies, and positioning in the market. Identify opportunities and threats to understand how you can differentiate your offerings and gain a competitive advantage. Develop a unique value proposition. Determine your unique value proposition, which is the compelling benefit or advantage that sets your products or services apart from competitors. Clearly articulate this value proposition, highlighting how it addresses customers' pain points and delivers superior value. Set marketing objectives. Based on the business objectives and target market, establish specific marketing objectives. These objectives should be measurable, time-bound, and aligned with the overall business goals. Examples include increasing brand awareness by a certain percentage or generating a specific number of leads. Determine marketing tactics and channels. Identify the marketing tactics and channels that will be most effective in reaching your target audience. Consider a mix of traditional and digital channels such as advertising, content marketing, social media, email marketing, search engine optimization, events, public relations, and partnerships. Align the tactics with your target audience's preferences and behaviors. Develop a marketing budget. Determine the financial resources required to execute your marketing strategy effectively. Allocate a budget for each marketing activity and channel, considering factors such as expected return on investment, ROI, and cost effectiveness. Create a marketing plan. Document your marketing strategy in a comprehensive marketing plan. Include details about the target market, positioning, marketing objectives, tactics, timelines, budget, and key performance indicators, KPIs, for tracking progress and success. Implement and execute. Execute the marketing plan by implementing the chosen tactics and channels. Monitor the progress, make adjustments as needed, and ensure proper coordination and integration across all marketing activities. Measure and evaluate. Continuously measure the performance of your marketing efforts against the defined objectives and KPIs. Use analytics and tracking tools to assess the effectiveness of different tactics and channels. Make data-driven decisions to optimize your marketing strategy and improve results. Adapt and iterate. The market and consumer preferences are dynamic, so be prepared to adapt and iterate your marketing strategy as needed. Regularly review the market landscape, monitor competitors, and gather customer feedback to identify emerging trends and make necessary adjustments. Marketing strategy development requires a deep understanding of the market, target customers, and competitive landscape. It should be an ongoing process that evolves with the changing business environment. Regularly revisit and refine your marketing strategy to stay competitive and drive business growth. Define your target audience. Identify your ideal customer by understanding their needs, interests, and behavior. Research and analyze the market. Evaluate your competition, industry trends and potential opportunities to identify gaps in the market that your product or service can fill. Set your goals and objectives. Clearly define what you want to achieve through your marketing efforts, whether that be increasing sales, brand awareness, or lead generation. Develop a unique selling proposition, USP. Determine what sets your product or service apart from the competition and use it as the foundation of your marketing messaging. Develop a plan for reaching your audience. Identify the marketing channels you will use to reach your target audience, such as social media, email marketing, advertising, or content marketing. Create a budget. Based on your goals and objectives, determine how much you are willing to spend on your marketing efforts. Implement your marketing plan. Execute your marketing plan and track the results to measure the success of your marketing efforts. Adjust if necessary. Keep learning and adapting. Continuously test and refine your marketing strategy to ensure you are reaching your target audience and achieving your goals. Marketing strategy development involves creating a plan of action to effectively promote and sell products or services in the market. It includes defining target markets, positioning the brand, setting marketing objectives, and determining the key tactics to achieve those objectives. Here are the key steps involved in marketing strategy development. Set clear objectives. Start by setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART, marketing objectives. These objectives should align with the overall business goals and guide the marketing strategy development process. Examples of marketing objectives include increasing brand awareness, expanding market share, or launching a new product successfully. Understand the target market. Conduct market research and gather insights about your target market. Identify the needs, preferences, and characteristics of your target audience. Understand their behaviors, demographics, psychographics, and purchasing habits. This information will help you tailor your marketing efforts to effectively reach and engage your target customers. Define the value proposition. Determine your unique value proposition, which is the key benefit or advantage that sets your product or service apart from competitors. Clearly articulate the value proposition and understand how it addresses the needs and pain points of your target market. Your value proposition will form the foundation of your marketing messaging and positioning. Develop the marketing mix. The marketing mix consists of the 4 Ps: product, price, place, and promotion. Develop strategies for each element of the marketing mix. Product. Determine the features, benefits, and attributes of your product or service. Consider product design, packaging, branding, and quality. Differentiate your product from competitors and ensure it meets the needs of your target market. Price. Set the pricing strategy for your product or service. Consider factors such as costs, competitors' prices, perceived value, and pricing objectives. Determine the pricing structure, discounts, and pricing tactics that will attract and retain customers. Place. Determine the distribution channels and methods to make your product or service available to customers. Evaluate various distribution options such as direct sales, retailers, e-commerce, or partnerships. Ensure that your product is easily accessible to your target market. Promotion. Develop a comprehensive promotion strategy to raise awareness and drive sales. Determine the most effective channels and tactics to reach your target audience, such as advertising, public relations, social media, content marketing, or influencer partnerships. Create compelling messages and creative assets to communicate your value proposition. Develop an action plan. Create a detailed action plan that outlines the specific marketing activities, timelines, responsibilities, and budgets required to execute the marketing strategy. Break down the plan into actionable steps and set milestones to track progress. Implement and monitor. Execute the marketing activities according to the action plan. Monitor the performance of the marketing initiatives and track key performance indicators, KPIs, to assess the effectiveness of the strategy. Regularly analyze the results and make adjustments as needed to optimize the marketing efforts. Evaluate and refine. Continuously evaluate the performance of the marketing strategy against the defined objectives. Identify areas of improvement and opportunities for growth. Collect customer feedback, conduct market research, and stay updated with industry trends to refine and adapt the marketing strategy accordingly. Marketing strategy development is an ongoing process that requires flexibility and adaptation to changing market dynamics and customer needs. Regularly review and update your marketing strategy to ensure it remains relevant and effective in achieving your business goals. Marketing strategy development involves the process of formulating a comprehensive plan to reach and engage your target market effectively, achieve your business goals, and gain a competitive advantage. Here are the key steps involved in developing a marketing strategy. Set clear marketing objectives. Start by defining your marketing objectives. These objectives should align with your overall business goals and be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART. Examples of marketing objectives include increasing brand awareness, boosting sales by a certain percentage, or expanding into a new market segment. Understand your target market. Gain a deep understanding of your target market by conducting market research and segmentation. Identify the demographics, psychographics, behaviors, and needs of your target audience. This understanding will help you tailor your marketing message to your audience. Conduct a competitive analysis, evaluate your competitors' strengths, weaknesses, strategies, and market positioning. Identify their unique selling propositions, USPs, and how you can differentiate your offering. This analysis will help you identify opportunities and develop strategies to gain a competitive advantage. Define your value proposition. Determine your unique value proposition, UVP, or the key benefits and advantages that set your product or service apart from competitors. Your UVP should address the specific needs and pain points of your target market and communicate a clear value proposition that resonates with your audience. Determine your marketing mix. Develop a marketing mix that includes the 4 Ps: product, price, place, and promotion. Define your product or service offerings, pricing strategy, distribution channels, and promotional activities. Ensure that each element of the marketing mix aligns with your target market and supports your value proposition. Develop messaging and positioning. Craft compelling messages that communicate your value proposition and resonate with your target audience. Determine how you want to position your brand in the minds of consumers. Develop a consistent brand voice and messaging across all marketing channels. Select marketing channels and tactics. Identify the most effective marketing channels and tactics to reach your target market. This can include a combination of digital channels, website, social media, email marketing, search engine optimization, and traditional channels, print, TV, radio, events. Consider the preferences and behaviors of your target audience when selecting marketing channels. Set a marketing budget. Determine your marketing budget based on your available resources and the potential return on investment. Allocate your budget across different marketing activities based on their anticipated effectiveness and alignment with your objectives. Create an implementation plan. Develop a detailed plan that outlines the specific actions, timelines, and responsibilities for executing your marketing strategy. Ensure that the plan is realistic, achievable, and aligned with your overall business goals. Measure and evaluate. Implement a system to measure and evaluate the performance of your marketing efforts. Monitor key performance indicators, KPIs, such as sales, customer acquisition, conversion rates, website traffic, and brand awareness. Use this data to assess the effectiveness of your marketing strategy and make necessary adjustments and optimizations. Remember that marketing strategy development is an ongoing process. Continuously monitor the market, track competitors, and adapt your strategies based on customer feedback, market trends, and new opportunities. Regularly review and update your marketing strategy to ensure it remains relevant and effective in achieving your business objectives. Thank you for watching the video and subscribe the channel.